Welcome once again to the SMK Meetup. I'm Mac Merlin and we are here at SPU, Seattle Pacific University. We've got over 350 people here today, so let's check out what's happening inside. See you all in there. Just follow me. And I'm inside. This is the table that I've chosen. I've only brought 2 keyboards, but neither of them are mine. The first one is a modern M0110, lent to me by Candy Keys as a review unit. And yeah, let's go open it.
I like how you did the icons of it. Did you pick that out on purpose?
There are actually 2 boxes in here.
I picked the keycap set.
I think this one's the add-ons and it's got a plate or something.
It's close enough. Close enough, yeah.
I like super skis on.
Yeah, these are my ones. A subset of them.
Alright.
That's awesome.
Oh, yeah, it's a...
Note, the plate currently in the modern M0110 is the water cut one. Don't use it. Uh-oh.
They have similar keycaps on there now, so every so often they'll have a...
There, look at that packaging. So I believe this is the box that they're going to be using. Look at that packaging.
That's so cool.
Well,
I got that a couple of years ago.
Ooh.
It's the space needle.
I actually thought that it would be built, so maybe I'll just leave it empty for now. Oh boy. That's pretty hefty. Alright. So the other one, the other keyboard that I have is a Duck Jetfire. I've been asked to convert this to QMK, so hopefully I'll get that done maybe next week. We'll see. As usual, we have a photo booth. Let's go check it out. So to trigger the photo booth, we have a Kale big switch right here, powered by QMK, might I add. So let's take a photo. So the flash is up there, and that's where the screen is. And let's trigger this. Let's go trigger this right now.
My name is Isabella. This is my favorite board. It's a Prionic from Massdrop, and it's my favorite board because I work in an open office and it's super clicky with greens.
Hi, I'm Heat Loss. These are my collection of keyboards. So my favorite keyboards. Well, this one's interesting. It's a Alps combination number pad and trackpad. So I picked this up at a used store for cheap. I came with a floppy disk for drivers, and I cannot figure out how to make it work. My favorite keyboard is probably my Model M, 1986. You know, it's funny, it's my first mechanical keyboard, and it's really hard to go back to anything else.
Hi, my name is Chris, also known as Outreach Pudding, and the favorite keyboard I've got here is the M65A from Rama. This is a custom powder-coated version with Mech Merlin's amazing Q&K magic.
Yeah!
I love you too.
We like keyboards because our significant others like keyboards.
Yes, we're here to support them and their love for keyboards.
And some of them are pretty cute.
Yeah, some of them are pretty cute.
So we're just about to close up shop here. There's like no one, well, we have less than half the people left, but here we go. People are still hanging out. We had our build your own switch tester fidget cube, so people can, you know, you just take one of these, put your switches in, you know, and take one home. We still have quite a lot, so hopefully people will keep making them. Hey guys, what are you making here?
I'm making a cinnamon roll.
You're making a cinnamon roll, how about you?
And a seahorse.
Seahorse? How about you?
What is this?
What's that?
Don't know.
You don't know?
It's Bob. We're gonna call him Bob.
How about you?
I got a bird, but he doesn't have eyes.
Oh my word.
So I haven't thought this through.
Yeah, dude.